my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Android on your phone. Today we'll explain how to change your SIM card name on your Android phone. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Settings. Then press on Dual SIM and Cellular Network. Here you have two SIM cards, SIM number 1 and SIM number 2. If you want to change name for SIM number 1, just press on this icon. Then press on SIM card name here. And delete this one and write whatever you want. Let's name it Linked Zone. After that, press on Save. Now you already changed SIM card name to be Linked Zone. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to change your SIM card name on your Android phone. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.